Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. Good morning, viewers. Yeah, man. Yes. Always nice to be alive, Wake up and, yeah, man. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. I'm know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me there the world famous Martaba River. Yeah, man. The world famous Martaba River, me there, no, brother. Yeah, man. Couple miles well from the Falmouth, Yeah, man. Me there near the Rafters village, Yeah, man. Me just stop us still. Yeah, man. The Rafters village. I just walk this one. Look at this one. Yeah, man. I do after village. Yeah. I come to wash the machine here now. Yeah, man, I come to wash the bicycle. Clean the bicycle. Yeah, man. So I come way up so. Yeah, man. Yeah. So I go wash the bicycle in the morning. Yeah. And I say, a nice good exercise. Yeah, a nice good ride the coat of the way. Yeah, man. So I say, always nice to be alive. Give thanks to be alive, Wake up in the morning, as I say, health before wealth. Enough cycling me go do, Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Enough cycling me go do, brother. Yeah, man. The world famous Martaba River. Yeah, man. Tell us, man, back inside, I'm tell us a Falmouth. Anyway, near Falmouth, man. Falmouth is really the best place to live, As long as you prepare to keep healthy. Yeah, man, go on a bicycle, man, that's where I come to some man come take a nice river bath. You understand me? You can't see water all the while, so. A long time I don't come still, But I go come regular now. Like when my bike, I can't see it. Is that my ride come here? Yeah. Or my drive come here. Yeah, man. Come get my car, I go wash my car, just go drive come on and see it. I wash all my car when all them sitting there. And bathe in the river water. Yeah, man. Mother nature, man. You see it? Yeah, this is Mother Nature, brother. Yeah, man. You can't do it without Mother Nature, brother. Yeah, you can't do it without Mother Nature. Yeah. I'm take off. I'll pause this for a while.